So I have manje bon men tourner ta parole.
Femme là dit me tourner la carte moi. C'est pas mal manger jeudi. So deuxième moi je manger jeudi. So ça c'est pour mettre dans petit fait. So boire un petit thé à boire là. Et puis ça c'est poisson que tout mettez voilà vite. Voilà nettoyer poisson. Ça c'est tout préparé. Continuez. Mettez poisson dans acide. Commencez à nettoyer poisson là.
Music bed. She talk it up, half empty cup, half-hearted love, half of the time halfway through crying. But she don't live here by herself, sleeping in the bed she's made, reading books about self-help, working late on Saturdays, like she got something instead. For heaven's sake, keep him awake, make no mistake, he break down daily with no warning. When you're 20 years old, do as you're told, get bought and sold, it's cold, it's early in the morning. And he's living on 10th Street, getting home right around dawn, every night of every week, he's proving everybody wrong. Any day now, it won't be long, so listen, I say, don't you stop it now, come on and give them all what they came here for. Never been done the same before, talk it up till your face gets sour. Don't you stop it now, come on now, have them all, they will see the show. Captain L, can you be so sure, talking up what I came here for. I've been holding my own, my rag and bone, like up alone. Now don't forget to double check it. Now, no. When I learn to rely on me and I straighten my tie, lace my own boots, zip my own jacket. Because I did the best I could. I got taken down again, but I got fire in my blood. I got sugar on my skin, and I got nowhere to begin. So listen, I'll say, don't you stop it now. Come on and give them all what they came here for. Never been done the same before. Talk it up till your face gets sore. Don't you stop it now. Come on, have them all, they will see the show. Captain, how can you be so sure? Talking up what I came here for.
Ménagement familial, pas la pénalité. Qui te dit, mais à moi, c'est ok?
Oh! Me parle de poisson. Il fait caillou.
Même si elle regarde tes vidéos, non?
Because you don't wanna get wet. And you ain't made it big yet. Don't you stop it. Come on, what they say.
Passer épice là. Assiette. Dedans, poisson. Balouette, comme ça.
Captain, how can you be so sure? Talking up what I'm doing it all for. Won't you stop it now? Come on, keep them on what they came here for. Never been done the same before. Talking up till your face gets sore. Don't you stop it now? Come on, half of my neighbors see the show. Captain, how can you be so sure? Talking up what I came here for. Don't you stop it now? Oh, never been done the same. Talk it up till your face gets sore. Don't you stop it now? Come on now. Half of my neighbors see the show. Captain, how can you be so sure? Talking up what I came here for. Smoky walls, dusty halls, no one calls, and all the window plants are dying. Music bed. She talk it up, half empty cup, half-hearted love, half of the time halfway through crying. But she don't live here by herself, sleeping in the bed she's made, reading books about self-help, working late on Saturdays, like she got something instead. Music bed. For heaven's sake, keep him awake, make no mistake, he break down daily with no warning. When you're 20 years old, do as you're told, get bought and sold, it's cold, it's early in the morning. getting home right around dawn. Every night of every week, he's proving everybody wrong. Any day now, it won't be long. So listen, I say, don't you stop it now. Come on and give them all what they came here for. Never been done the same before. Talk it up till your face gets out. Don't you stop it now. Come on, have a molly, we'll see the show. Captain, how can you be so sure? Talking up what I came here for. I've been holding my own, my rag and bone, like up alone. Now don't forget to double check it. Now, no. When I learn to rely on me and I straighten my tie, lace my own boots, sip my own jacket. Cause I did the best I could. I got taken down again.